Have you ever noticed certain traits that set apart truly successful and respected older men from the crowd? We're diving into the specific behaviors that high-value older men consistently avoid, actions that low-value guys often fall into without realizing. These habits are more than just social faux pas. They're the key differentiators in how one is perceived and respected in various aspects of life. Are you ready to uncover these insights? Let's begin our journey into understanding what high-value older men never do. And make sure you stay until the end for our bonus tip. It's a game changer, seamlessly bringing together all the points we discussed today. This tip is essential for embodying the high-value traits we're exploring. Don't miss it. 1. Avoiding gossip and drama. Let's jump into why gossip and drama are no-go zones for high-value older men. Why is staying clear of these so important? Let's explore. Gossip and drama might seem harmless or even fun at first glance, but they're actually quite tricky. For men who really value themselves and their reputation, getting involved in such things is a big mistake. Why? Well, gossiping or being part of drama often looks like you're more interested in petty talk than in meaningful conversations. It can ruin friendships and make people trust you less. High-value men prefer to speak about positive, uplifting things, not tear others down. Also, getting caught up in drama often shows that you might not handle your emotions very well. It could make you seem like you enjoy conflict, which isn't a good look. High-value men keep their cool and stay away from unnecessary fuss. They know that staying calm and collected is the way to go, focusing on what really matters in life. On the other hand, low-value guys might not see the harm in gossip and drama. They might think it makes them popular or gives them power. But in reality, avoiding these things is a sign of a mature, respectful man who values his peace and reputation. 2. Not boasting about achievements. Now, let's chat about achievements. We all have them, and they're great, but how we share them makes a big difference. Why should high-value older men avoid boasting? Let's dive in. Achievements are milestones in our lives, a sign of hard work and dedication. But when it comes to sharing these wins, high-value men know that less is more. Boasting about your accomplishments can often come across as trying too hard to impress. It might seem like you're not confident enough in your own value and need constant approval from others. Remember, true class is being proud of your achievements without needing to shout them from the rooftops. Instead of boasting, high-value men let their work speak for itself. They find joy in the journey and the growth that comes with it, not just the applause at the end. This subtle confidence is much more attractive and inspiring. It shows that they're secure in themselves and don't need external validation. On the flip side, low-value guys might think that constantly talking about their successes will make them look better. But in reality, it often does the opposite. It can come off as arrogant and can push people away. High-value men understand that their actions and the way they carry themselves say much more than words ever could. 3. Never stopping learning. Let's turn our attention to the power of learning. It's something that never gets old, just like us. Why is continuous learning a hallmark of high-value older men? Time to explore. Learning is like an endless adventure. For high-value men, the quest for knowledge and personal growth is ongoing. They know that there's always something new to discover, regardless of their age or success. Stopping learning is like saying you know everything there is to know, which, let's face it, isn't true for anyone. These men understand that the world is constantly changing and staying curious keeps them relevant and sharp. In contrast, low-value guys often think they've learned enough once they reach a certain age or milestone. They might become set in their ways, missing out on the richness of new experiences and ideas. This can lead to stagnation, both personally and professionally. High-value men use learning to fuel their journey, embracing new skills, ideas, and perspectives. This ongoing learning journey keeps them dynamic, interesting, and always evolving. It's not just about book smarts. It's about being open to life and all its lessons. So, remember, no matter how much you achieve, there's always more to learn. That's the spirit that keeps high-value men young at heart and ahead of the game. I trust you're finding value in our discussion so far. If so, why not show a little support? Hitting that like button, dropping a comment, or subscribing goes a long way. Thank you for being an integral part of this journey. 4. Avoiding short-term thinking. Let's talk strategy, but not just any strategy. Life strategy. Why do high-value older men focus on the long haul instead of just the here and now? Let's dig into this. Short-term thinking can be tempting. It's about instant results and quick wins, but it's like snacking instead of eating a balanced meal. High-value men understand that the real prizes in life, like deep relationships, career success, and personal growth, don't come overnight. They play the long game. This means thinking ahead, planning for the future, and making decisions that will pay off in the long run, not just today. On the other hand, low-value guys might get caught up in the moment. They chase quick fixes or easy pleasures without thinking about the consequences or the bigger picture. This can lead to missed opportunities and regrets later on. High-value men, however, know that patience is a virtue. They invest in their future, whether it's through saving money, nurturing relationships, or personal development. They're like chess players, always thinking a few moves ahead. This approach brings not just success, but also a sense of fulfillment and stability. It shows wisdom and maturity, knowing that good things take time and the best is yet to come. 5. Not disrespecting others. Respect? It's a small word with a big impact. Why do high-value older men make it a point to respect everyone around them? Let's take a closer look at this vital trait. Respecting others, regardless of their status or background, is a hallmark of a true gentleman. It's about treating people with kindness, dignity, and consideration. High-value men know that everyone has their own story and struggles, and they approach others with empathy and understanding. This respect is not just in words, but in actions too. Listening intently, speaking politely, and acknowledging others' contributions. In contrast, low-value guys might not give much thought to how they treat others. They may be rude, dismissive, or even condescending, thinking it makes them look stronger or more important. But this actually does the opposite. It shows a lack of self-esteem and an inability to connect with others on a deeper level. High-value men understand that respect is a two-way street. By giving respect, they earn it in return, fostering stronger, more meaningful relationships in all areas of life. They know true strength is shown through kindness and humility, not belittling others. So, remember, a simple act of respect can go a long way in making the world a better place for everyone. 6. Never neglecting personal health. Let's dive into something essential yet often overlooked: personal health. Why is it crucial for high-value older men to prioritize their health? Let's explore this important aspect. Health is our greatest wealth, and high-value men know this. They understand that taking care of their physical and mental well-being is not just about looking good. It's about feeling good and being at their best. This means regular exercise, eating well, getting enough sleep, and managing stress. It's not about being a fitness model, but about respecting and taking care of the body you have. On the flip side, low-value guys might neglect their health, thinking it's not that important or they're too busy. But this can lead to serious problems down the line, both physically and mentally. Neglecting health can make them less effective in all areas of life, from work to relationships. High-value men view maintaining their health as a non-negotiable part of life. It's about having the energy to enjoy life, the strength to face challenges, and the stamina to pursue their goals. They know that good health is the foundation for a fulfilling life. So remember, taking care of your health is a sign of self-respect and a key to a long, vibrant life. And now the cherry on top, our bonus tip: cultivating emotional intelligence. Why is this the secret sauce for high-value older men? Let's dive into this fascinating topic. Emotional intelligence is all about understanding and managing your own emotions, as well as recognizing and empathizing with the emotions of others. It's a game changer, not just a nice-to-have. High-value men realize that being in tune with their emotions and those of the people around them leads to stronger, healthier relationships, both personally and professionally. It's not just about being smart in the traditional sense. Emotional intelligence involves self-awareness, self-regulation, motivation, empathy, and social skills. Low-value guys might overlook this, focusing only on intellect or physical strength. But being emotionally intelligent is what really sets high-value men apart. It helps them navigate complex social situations, build lasting connections, and make thoughtful decisions. This kind of intelligence can't be measured in IQ points. It's about being wise in the ways of the heart and mind. High-value men understand that emotional intelligence is key to a balanced, fulfilling life. It's the ultimate blend of heart and mind, making them not just successful, but genuinely respected and admired. Now that you know what high-value men avoid, what's next for you? Discover how to get a younger woman's attention, or learn the subtle signs she's checking you out. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.